The link displayed will take you to the area that allows you to create your individualized WAMS user ID. From this page, you will select Self-Registration. This page will give you an overview on how to get registered. Part 1 is where you will submit your contact and account information. Upon completion, you will immediately be sent a confirmation email that contains the link to activate the account. The email address that you use in this step must be accessible and valid to complete the self-registration process. Part 2 requires you to click on the link in your confirmation email to activate your account. To start the self-registration process, you must read and accept the User Acceptance Agreement. This screen is your actual self-registration. The fields with a red star are required fields that need to be filled in. Once you have entered your profile information, you will enter your account information, which includes the WAMS user ID and password. We suggest that you make your WAMS user ID and password something you can easily remember. There are several requirements for how the WAMS user ID is set up, all of which are noted in the box for account information. The final step requires you to create a secret question and answer should you ever need to restore access to your account. Once you have verified that all the information has been entered and is accurate, you can select Submit. Once you select the Submit button, a message will appear asking you to verify that the email address is correct. After confirmation, an informational self-registration screen will appear. Read the information provided to complete Part 2. From your email, you will need to select the link to activate your account by logging in with your WAMS user ID and password. When this step is completed, you will be shown a message indicating that this process has been completed.